if I told you that the delay you've been crying over, the silence you've been questioning, and the doors that kept closing in front of you may not be punishment at all? What if they are actually preparing you for one of the biggest blessings of your life? Tonight, I want to share something that could change the way you see your waiting, your loneliness, and your future forever. Because before Allah opens the right door, He often transforms the heart that is about to walk through it. And if you've been praying for marriage, this message may be exactly what your soul needs to hear right now. Assalamu alaikum, my dear friends, and welcome back to Allah Blessings Every Day. Before we begin, I want to ask you something deeply personal. Have you ever watched everyone around you move forward while your own prayer seemed to remain unanswered? Have you ever smiled in front of people but carried questions in your heart that only Allah knows about? If so, stay with me until the very end, because this message may reach your heart exactly when you need it most. Sometimes the greatest sign is not that your situation changes overnight. Sometimes the greatest sign is that Allah begins healing the parts of you that no one else can see. The pain that once controlled your thoughts starts losing its power. The heartbreak that once felt unbearable slowly becomes lighter. Without realizing it, you begin breathing with more peace and trusting with more strength. And that is beautiful, because Allah often repairs the heart before He writes the next chapter of its story. What feels like waiting may actually be preparation for a blessing beyond your imagination. Have you noticed that your priorities are changing? The things that once consumed your attention no longer seem as important. The habits that held you back are becoming easier to leave behind. The version of you that existed a year ago is slowly fading, and a stronger, wiser, and more mature version is emerging. This transformation is not random. Many people pray for a loving marriage, a loyal partner, and a peaceful future. But they rarely consider that Allah may first prepare them for the responsibilities that come with those blessings. Before Allah changes your circumstances, He often changes you. He teaches patience through waiting, strength through challenges, and wisdom through experiences that do not make sense in the moment. What feels like a delay may actually be a season of growth. Every lesson, every disappointment, every silent prayer may be shaping qualities that will benefit you for years to come. The most beautiful part is that you may not even notice the change happening. One day, you simply realize that you react differently, think differently, and trust Allah more deeply than before. And perhaps that is one of the most powerful signs of all. While you have been waiting for your future to arrive, Allah has been quietly transforming you into the person who is ready to receive it. There are moments in life when certain people walk away without warning. Some relationships suddenly break. Some connections that once felt important quietly disappear. And at that time, it feels like rejection, like something valuable has been taken from you. But what if it wasn't loss at all? What if it was protection? Sometimes Allah removes people from your life, not because you are not worthy of them, but because they are not meant for the future He is preparing for you. A door closing is not always a punishment. Often it is a shield you cannot yet see. You may not understand it in the moment. You may question why things ended so suddenly, or why certain paths were blocked. But later, when clarity arrives, you realize that what you cried for was never meant to stay, and what left was actually saving you from something that could have broken you deeper. Allah has a way of rewriting your story silently. He closes doors that could harm your heart, your peace, or your destiny, even if your emotions cannot understand it at the time. And one day, you will look back and realize what you called a loss was actually Allah protecting your future before it even began. There's a shift that happens quietly in the heart, almost without notice. At first, your mind is filled with questions. When will it happen? Why is it taking so long? What if it never happens? But slowly, something begins to change inside you. Your fear starts losing its grip, and in its place, something deeper begins to grow. Trust. You still have unanswered prayers, but you no longer feel abandoned. You still have uncertainty, but it no longer controls you. Even in silence, your heart begins to believe that Allah is not ignoring you. He is guiding you in a way you cannot yet understand. This is not just patience. This is transformation. Because when Allah is preparing something meaningful for your life, He first strengthens your connection with Him. He shifts your reliance from people to His plan. He teaches you that peace does not come from knowing the future, but from trusting the One who writes it. And the most powerful part is this: you may still be waiting, but you are no longer breaking in the wait. Instead, you are learning to rest in the certainty that Allah's timing is never late, never random, and always filled with wisdom, even when it is hidden from your eyes. And finally, there is one sign that is often the most overlooked, yet the most powerful of all. Even after everything you've been through, even after delays, disappointments, unanswered prayers, and silent nights, there is still something inside you that refuses to give up. A small, quiet hope, not loud, not dramatic, but deeply alive. You try to ignore it sometimes. You try to convince yourself to move on completely, to stop expecting, to stop waiting. But somehow, every time you try to let go, that soft feeling returns again. A feeling that says, something good is still coming. This is not delusion. This is not imagination. This is the mercy of Allah touching your heart in the middle of your waiting. Because when Allah is about to change your story, He doesn't always give you answers first. Sometimes He gives you just enough light to keep walking forward. And if you are still here, still watching, still listening, still hoping, then maybe this is your sign that your chapter is not ending. It is just about to turn. Maybe what you thought was delay was actually divine timing. Maybe what you called waiting was actually preparation. And maybe, just maybe, the thing you cried for is already being arranged in a way better than you ever imagined. Ya Allah, every heart watching this video right now, heal their pain, remove their worries, and bless them with what is best for their dunya and akhirah. Ya Allah, if their heart is tired, give them peace. If their path is delayed, make it beautiful. If they are waiting for marriage, bless them with a righteous, loving, and peaceful spouse who becomes a source of comfort, not stress. Ameen. If this message touched your heart even a little, then don't ignore this final request. Please subscribe to Allah Blessings Every Day. Because here, we don't just watch videos. We heal hearts, restore hope, and remind each other that Allah's mercy is always closer than we think. And I'll see you in the next video. Inshallah.